friend and my brother, my sister, okay, watching my channel, okay. Here, I thank you all to subscribe my channels, and then you will look it under the channel, okay, and then you will see the Bible verse. Read it by yourself. You will get something from the in the Bible, not from me, okay. Only just I show the way, but you can get by yourself, okay. Here, I want to read about the second king. Okay, I see the one person. Okay, I see the one person. Okay, talk about the Naaman healings of leprosy. Naaman healings of leprosy. It's me away ni mitala no and no pagdar mala Naama no Naama ko ra no ko ni Naaman no Naama le pang nyaklo no awe taba ma blaki o no pagdar mala anu no asa ta anu ni taba ma blaki o ni lo no. Now Naaman was commander of the armies of the king of Aram no let the look at Naamani no mera suri sopa no apwa tumu ako so nama me pwa dole agasa amenya no tira no. He was as a great man in the sight of his master and high regarded because through him the Lord has given victory to Aaron. He was a valiant soldier, no? But he has leprosy. No? Let us look at a Sukamula Petapitama, no? Penny, Quekukivera to Sepolo Pagnoclone. Suri sopa apatumuku soanama mipwa adule agasamenya do takwa me olo agidi I jwahi lota uke koki suri le olo do mipwa su le de tapulo basa do mipwa batasa olo no mipwa batasa no pawane batasa aduda lu su no jwahi lo no le supu bakala sorry no. Now bands from Aaron has gone out and has taken captured a younger girl from Israel, and she served no Naaman's wife no awani mitala pomu pudaga ta hesowera su pa Israel po mera pomu putadagani Paini paketete madile no tebra do pasuripu leti do pot pupa do hem hesomakeku puta pomu asidagala Israel akopu do uwele sonama ama olo no leta no kuda ro pakrasukumuta leta gigai no do paini tebra dile no tebra dile no. Naaman went to his master and told him what the girls from Israel had said. Naaman, no? No devra do siba agasamu mo pagas no mo yagasa uwela we amenyala a uwela samari punirki not siba agasamu no. Do pagiteno mala away ni mitala pahevra le Israel sibra dinero. No, no, the tane kutaroni, Pakra patu patala patamupo, no, sivera painted, Tibedile, no, no, yen, no, not Tibeda, no, don't lewe, don't le, no, less away, do sissy sekika, do a two to be, Hugato, do taku to la pakalieta. Sise blo wolo away ni metala no pakatetima dile no Pagate manene, no? Ke, pagale quabini, Devadala, no, by all means go. The king of Aram's replied, I will send a letter to the king of Israel. So Naaman left, talking with him 10 talent of silver, 6,000 shekel of gold, and 10 set of clothes. No, when it did up Panama, no, we run it did up. The latter thus he took to the king of Israel read, with this letter I am sending my servant Naaman to you, so that you may cure, no, cure him of his leprosy. No, when he Tera le nakamama bla oma nakaba nakamama bla o when it tebra dile. The hesu lid be su Israel sopa o le asiwe kegani e no do lid be e to learn the odo kwakwa yamano yakipa sona ma suno o dito nakama blaki or le atasa unilo nakama blaki or le atasa umano tasa unilo no. Penny Peglequa Tata Sepo, as soon as the king of Israel reached the lyre, he tore his robe and said, I God, can I kill and bring back to life? Why does this fellow send someone to me to be cured of his leprosy? See how he is trying to pick quarrels with me. No? Let no good or a winning, Pagitano Mala sopa, no, do never leave. Your Pagitano Mala aware, do never leave running. Do penny, not to Israel sopa palid benido, Tamathala, aposy, do see whether, no, do see whether. Jimmy Jwala a matita or mamuta taro, Puadagane, no. Ma pakanyoga did to akama blaki atasa ania. Mother dinido, tinya do quala, Puadagane huta mimi, Todayano, Pawane huta, Todayamano, David Puadagane, a huta mimi do, a wet Todayamano. Pectedema, dinamano. A wet Todayano, not David dinamano. Pasanakiro, Peclequa pay mono, Peclequa pay. Not David delay. No, you can't David. When Elisha, the man of God, no, pretend mala, hear this, the king of Israel has torn his robe, he's sending him this message. Why have you torn your robe? Have the man come to meet, and he will know that there is a prophet in Israel. No, when he did that, didn't know. Devra dot to Yua Pacanyo, Soily, Shana Huele Israela Sopa, Poshido, Tamathado, Tala a Merlota, Su Sopa Urasiweda, Naponasi me abominile, no? More Puaragane Hesu Yorki, Do Cathinia, no Cathinia Wheeler Widiga, Uwella, no, Thinia Wella Widiga, Uwella. Israel apulo, Cathinia wala widia, wala Israel apumo, no? Aware teba dinero, no? No pain a queenie teba so, no? Now man went with his horse and Charles and stop at the door of Elisha house, no? Penny on Naaman, no? Aware teba Naaman, pretend mala, no? Aware later. Do pagita aksi mano do pagita man do ali no aliga do patuwera no lu Isaiah atremenyane no Isaiah atrene we patuwe panilo Isaiah sent a message to say to him no Alisa no Alisani no Alis so Alisani Elisani aware hilowe Takalu mano, Thelawada, Bagda Takalu, Su away omano, Tera go. Wash yourself, no 7 times in the Jordan, and you will flesh will be restore and you will be cleansed no when it pretend mala ale no do pretend ma was no pretend ma was yourself sitan thikanata nuimlo no nuimlo le jora tiklo buni no thikanata nuimlo no pagade ma dini mono tevada ne dini mono away no the scene tevada ne so ilisa makalur ka lesu o do siweda le lutile yadepu no nuimlo ki do na phi nya ke heki daki do neke ke soto lo le luti no le luti nuimlo na phi nya ne ke soto no tevada no na phi nya ne ke soto hey ni tevada wiblo ni no but Naaman went away angry and said, I thought that he would surely come out to me, not to me, and stand and call on the name of the Lord his God. No, awetera la porgane yesugamola aweke heto lo yu udo aweke seta we do aweke koro we jwa ami mo no aweke koro we jwa ami ni lo no do tebe dini no tebe dini lo no pay do no so na mani thato do hato we do siwe da kwakwa yesi aweda kheto no aweda kheto do kaseta do kuto yu akasami do tota la aphoku no do kama blaki pwa bata sa elo no do pemimba tero pay ni tebe dile are not abandoned and the no Frapas, the rivers of Damascus better than any of the waters of Israel. No, couldn't I was in them and be clean? So he turned and went off in a rage. No, Panero Pagate Mala Penny Damasi Atiklo, no, Abana, do Pa, no, Papa Gini, no, Israela Atil Pa Killer, Tamiba, Yagluba Tiller Apu, no Yakasoto Tamiba, no Kata do Hatowella at Tatolo, no, Kata do Hatowella at Tatolo, no. Penny, no. Naaman servant went to him and said, no Naaman, no Akupane, Levesu Teba, my father, no Yapa, no if the prophets has told you to do some great thing, no. Pagden ma wilga mitten ala namata la agini, no. Would you not have done it, no? Nedekromaba, no, Pagden. How much more than when he tells you, no? Pagden mala awakatena tell ni, no? Wetena was and be clean, no? Pagden mala thikanataro kasokwi. So he went down and deepened himself in the Jordans 7 times, no? Penero awele nuwada, do Pagden mala awatsulo ata anokasara we. Le Jordan Tiklo Buni, no, Nimlo, no, 7 times, as the man of God has told him. Di you are Paganyo Teo Athuni, away Mawe, no, and his flesh was restored and became clean, like that of a young boy, no, away ni Tevra, away ni, no, alone, Kasotoki, wera. No, but atasuta sa loma kuwera hago loma kuido awekero ora pala akasoraga dorkareba no anokasara wene pagitena malona logadi to pata sapurgaro tebe no then Naaman and all his attendants went back to the man of God no Naaman do pagitena pala apokidil pamo no kidage su you are Paganyo no? You are Paganyo. Now I know that there is no God in all the world except in Israel, no? Kaine yithinya alimo no, but kasa agugat uba, no? Lo hakune kasa aguga, di kasa gai to uba, no? Pagiteno. please accept now I give from you seven no Devra la kaine no pagita ma tulo yatahi no nakuna patahirki the prophets answer no we need to show it up no as surely as the Lord live who I serve no tena tamita to no joane muwe no talo yama o ata no joane muwe palo yama ata no I will not accept a thing no pagitama no yet tulo ba tati the paiba and even thoughts no Naaman's I guess him he refused no we blood of pagitama mala Naaman ne khi with us sure do away ni pagitama mala aware the hero wa no Penny pekele kwa le paganyo chronic tewe dile no so na ma siweda pwa kahilo na kina pwa le hoko blesso the thila kathila kidu the member agiri talu mi umigi talu mi uge na kina pwa no talu le bala kasa agad paba kaluta tele yua de gawlo no Penny siweda no yuala assertile amenya muweni yete hine mataba do aweda the sato aki basado riluwelo no awene the sihu the sinui no teweda dinilo the sihu the sinui ne tewe dinilo no Penny pekele kwala the sinui magone papa paganyo globally if you will not no serve Naaman please let me your servant be give as much earth as a repairs of the mule can carry for you seven we never again may burn suffering and sacrifice to any other gods but the Lord's no pagitana mala at luda la kasaga la ba tera na awani kora la sona mani amani ve tagi veni no awat the luda ba but many the Lord no forgive yourself for this one thing when my master entered the temple of Ramon to bow down and he is leaning on my arm and I bound there also when I bowed down in the temple of Ramon, may the Lord forgive your service for this. No, when it tevra no kasa mo kapla yitaka mama no yeme bado ba phoma no leta yit me mo your plan kinapwa atarki no du kasa lenule rimo ahipu ditu akabuta bata phanido ten not tane asala yesu no yetolo gdikula remo ahipulo hipudo tu yetolo gdikula remo hipudo mo your plan kinapwa atakamani diki no devra de no mo your plan kinapwa atakamani diki no God in peace Elisa said no pagitel ma Elisa devra le no do siba o le da mumuriki do hatowe yiro o no o papa tole khakalo no after Naaman has traveled some distance no pane khakani pagitel ma phay ni tebra la no jasi the seven of Elisha the man of God said to himself my master was too easy on Naaman Naaman this Aramean by not accepting from him what he brought as release of the Lord's life I will run after him and get something from him now I will run after him and get something from him do yua pakanyo soila saki pa do ki no do ki khasi siweda kwa yekasa tropa suri porga I soana ma do tetulo batala hesuwele asuba yua muweni yekhi poki no do he ne tat me mi lo oro ywa mu we ni ye khi po khi do he ne tat me mi lo o no awe ni no wete wara din ni mo no wete ra din ni lo no phe ni pakete ma la kisita ni te wara di le no kisita ni so no Gehazi hurried after Naaman. When Naaman saw him running toward him, he got down from there, no, from the chariots to meet him. Is everything all right? He asked. No. When he began to Gehazi aware lehiwera su nama o no do nama tioro thego o do chilo wera likhapu do began ma tulu o do siba o le takhle kesine ba o phodia wethi kwa we no everything is all right no takhle ni ba o phodi khele lo Gehazi answered no awasi sewra my master sent me to say no yatra no mola ya teba ya di lo two young men from the company of the prophets had just come to me from the hill country of not Ephraim. Please give them and talents of silver and two set of clothes. No, pakete mala akatuwera. No, le lowera. No, le lowera te babalo. No, siwera. No, lo yesa moloya. No siwera kwa. Kegni idale paputa kwala wi apukwa klakiga hesu o lekasa iparelo no hilo olo sit ika do ta kuotola pakali ata kiblo gorki no awa khiwe mono pakali ta ki wo awa khiwe dine mono do penny by all means take 2 talents said Naaman he Yogi Gehazi to accept them and then tie up the 2 talents of silver 2 bags with 2 sets of clothes. He gave them 2 of his servants and they carried them ahead of Gehazi. No, Panero no away hilo no. When Gehazi came to the hill, he took the thing from the servant and put them away in the house. He served the men away and they left. No, when I was thinking that you no, I was thinking no. Then he went in and stood before him, Master Elisha. No, Elisha, where have you been? No, Elisha, no, when I was settled with Elisha manya, no tatikwa na lebele. No, Gehazi, Elisha asked, no, when Gehazi, no, Elisha tikwa wera. Your servant didn't go anywhere. Gehazi answered, no. Tiana kuna pwani telera jishiba, no. Kuta telera not chuba, no. Away David didn't. But Elisha said to him, no, put that Elisha ni teba o. Want not my spirit with you when the man go down from the chariots to make you no when it metala no yatani later on no pakanyo he lolo pagden ma likha lo do awe taguna no taguna tebram no as did the time to take money or to accept clothes while it's grove no vineyards flocks here's or man service and miss service no Naaman Leprosy we claim to use and to your descendants forever. Then Gehazi went from Elisha, present, and he was leprosy, no, as white as snow. No, when he met Gehazi name, couple of well leader, a well manida, ne hutarone, tassa when he haki alone, agasa, no, Pagitenamala. Day or dinner or a tam matarano, Hutarani Pakropatipata Lobitamupuno. We should think about it, okay? 2 people, we should think about it, okay? The God given free, don't take anything, okay? When you lie, you will get from them, okay? Something. It's a very dangerous thing. Don't do that, okay? Let us look at Swahili Tani. meta klo do baba hi kita ne mik klo klo lo but ba lo hi kita no mi ba le da no ko palera su ne ti ne baba tinya la ta kha ni meta klo klo lo no ywa hi lo pwa li so shi no ywa glu kita de pa ne ba li baba su hi pa nyo ba se no baba khi ba ti ba ne pa nyo ne ba mi da ta klo klo le lo no kasaya tamma le pihita ba patame tau putra ba patame pwati ra pha le puiter ma la akra abawa ne kihita ne ba no puiter ma la pakasa mitte pa le hirgi mo no le tan ko ra ro puiter ma la akua pwa jia shin ne awa hi ne da le tan ko ra ro ne ta sa ne haki bakyo ne lo no ဝတ္တရောပကရသိညာပချနပါလပတမပနောမောယဆွေကီအဂလိသာဒဆွေပွဲကိုကတဲ့နော်လပကွာတာဖိုတိတဖတော့ပါလဟာရတိတဖမောကဆယကလေတာရတူလတိတမပူဒီနေ့မတနေ့ဒီနေ့မဒီနေ့ကေနော်တပ်လနော် God will with you နော် every day in your life and then God bless you all. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother. We see you next time.